Hey guys, welcome back to Chika's Cookware channel. So I'm back with my another video. Today I'm going to make Hakka noodles at home. So I have kept I've kept 4 cups of water into a bowl, that is bahona. So now I'm putting oil, 2 tablespoons and 1.5 tablespoon of salt. And this Hakka noodle I'm putting it at the side. The image is coming, which I have put the Hakka noodle, as you can see it properly. So now you are able to see that oil is getting evaporated, and with the help of this I am mixing the Hakka noodles so that they get cooked up properly. See, the noodles are getting cooked up so much properly. I'm opening the noodles and separating them from each other. As you can see, it is when the noodles get evaporated, so get made, so it started getting boiled up. So we will be knowing that our noodles are boiled up so nicely and made up so nicely. So as you can see, water is coming up. Now the noodles are cooked up so much properly. I have stirred it. So these stirred noodle I am taking out in a plate. It's a parat, a big parat. Now I will put the oil and separate the noodle from one edge to the second edge. I will separate them noodles. See, as you can see, I'm separating it. See, I'm separating it. It's quite hot, but still I'm separating it. I'm putting oil and separating it very nicely, as you are able to see it. See, these are noodles. I've separated them. Now I will make it. Now I will make exactly Hakka noodles. Let's start making Hakka noodles at home. So as you are able to see, the water is getting evaporated. So before it only I am putting the oil, that is 4 times I am putting the oil. After that I will put the veggies. That first veggie is that onion. So this onion, are you able to see that the onion, I will mix it properly in the oil so that it gets lightish brown in color. Then I will put my other veggies, which are capsicum and cabbage. First I will put capsicum, then I will put cabbage into the kadhai. See, now I'm putting capsicum and I'm doing saute of these vegetables. Now I will put cabbage. See, I'm putting cabbage properly, and after this I will put salt into it so that flavor is there. The salt, some taste is there in the veggies. So the veggies, you able to see that I'm mixing it very properly. So now I'm putting Hakka noodle masala of King Chinese, that is coming on your screen, also the picture, and I'm mixing it well. I'm doing saute of these vegetables and mixing the flavor. Now I'm putting chili sauce. Now I am putting soya sauce. Now after that I will put tomato sauce. The picture is coming on the screen. So now I am mixing it well, as you are able to see the veggies and sauces. Now I will, in the circular motions, I will put the noodles. See, I am putting it, and now I will mix them properly. I will mix it with the help of a chamcha or a spoon. See, I am mixing it well. Now I am putting the half tablespoon of salt according to my taste. Salt should be according to your taste. Some like more salt or something. Someone likes less salt. So I have put salt. So it's nicely I'm mixing them very well. Now I'm serving the Hakka noodle into the plate, as you are able to see on the screen. Now it's ready. Please like and share, also subscribe my channel.